Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature's Generator channel. Today we'll show you how to combine two MyGrid 10K systems step by step so you can unlock even more backup power for your home or off-grid setup. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect generator expansion cable. First, connect the generator expansion cable to the gen expansion COM ports on both units. Step 2. Connect battery cables. Next, connect the battery cables to the battery terminals on both units. Make sure each connection is fully secured. Push until you hear a click so you know that it's locked in place. Step 3. Battery communication setup. Now we connect the battery communication cable. Select one unit as your master unit and connect the battery communication cable to its battery expansion COM out port, and connect the cable to the other subordinate unit's battery expansion COM in port. Once everything is wired up, press and hold the enter button to enter the settings menu. Use the up or down buttons to scroll until you reach code 32. Press enter to confirm. Now, use the up or down buttons to change the settings from SIG to PAL. Finally, press enter again to confirm the PAL setting. You'll notice an M icon at the top left of the screen. This one is the master unit. On the subordinate unit, repeat the same steps. Go to code 32, then change the setting from SIG to PAL. On the subordinate unit, you'll see an S icon on the top left of the screen. This indicates it's a subordinate unit. On this unit only, go to code 03 and change the settings from LFP to use. Now you can plug in the large AC connectors, but remember, always turn off the breakers before plugging or unplugging these. At this point, both MyGrid 10Ks are now linked and working together. To demonstrate, we'll power up two light bulbs, a heater. You'll see on the MyGrid screens how the systems are sharing the load, proving that both units are in sync. You can see 2.59 kilowatts on the master unit. Now, let's see how one generator performs on its own. I'll disconnect one unit by unplugging its AC connector. With just a single generator running, we can see exactly how much power that unit is pulling on the screen. You can see 5.21 kilowatts on the screen. Remember, always turn on the master unit at first before the subordinate unit. That's it. You've now successfully combined two MyGrid 10K systems. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips, or follow us on social media at Nature's Generator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.